Hello, trading is closed on September 1st, 2016. What I'd like to do first is to go over the calls that worked and then look at the ones which didn't. We had an optional MEJT target from yesterday at 2173.29. The high of the day was 2173.56 and there was resistance over it, so that worked. There was another MEJT target of 2162.62. There was resistance at this high of 2162.11. So the target printed and there was some resistance over it. We also said that the FOMC announcement whipsaw should have a leg 3, which was longer than leg 2. Leg 2 was from 2175 to the 2175.56 to the high at 2193.81, 18.25 points. From this point of the announcement to today's low was 18.47 points, so leg 3 was longer than leg 2. We don't have to do anything else, so that worked. During the day, MEJT early on said lower prices were coming. Here's the sell, but it also said the drop was a false move, that prices would return to this red line, which they did, and optionally to this yellow line, which they did right at the end, and we closed at the MEJT resistance level, and there's no new MEJT target for tomorrow. Well, those worked. How about the ones which didn't work? I was expecting this 2160.39 low to hold. It held intraday, but that doesn't really count. I have a change in trend in the early part of next week, and I was expecting this to hold. However, what I'm going to do is move this point over to here, move that point over to there. There's your A, B, C, and A, B, C, and still say that I'm looking for this area to hold, and followed by one last move up. We also said unless we gapped down and promptly took out this low, that higher prices should print. Well, we did promptly take out the low, but we didn't gap down first, so that's a miss. Rather than fail in grand style, which is what usually happens when you miss, the pattern simply repeated itself. We took out this low, made lower lows, and couldn't hold on to any of them. Couldn't hold on to these lows, or yesterday's lows, or even the lows of Tuesday. So we have 3 days straight where we're moving down, hitting new lows, and you can't hold on to any of them. This is a positive pattern unless we invalidate it by promptly taking out today's low. Now this daily pattern typically closes at the day's high, and if that doesn't happen, and if we don't take out this high early tomorrow, it has negative implications. So we should be negative unless we take out this high early, and positive unless we take out this low early. So the call is for a quick move outside of today's range. It really isn't much of a call when the employment report comes out tomorrow. Can lead to some large moves. I think it's foolish to predict them. I've been working on the assumption that we're going to have one more fling up, ideally hit the optional MEJT target from August 29th, even though being optional we don't have to. And after that one last fling up, in this rally phase. And I have a timing, have a change in trend, most likely Tuesday, Wednesday, possibly Thursday. That's what I'd like to see, but if we take this out quickly, I don't always get what I like, so tomorrow's open should be critical. Call for tomorrow is quickly trading outside of today's range. I'm still looking for lows in this area to hold one more fling up, followed by the end of the rally phase. But I think we're kind of cutting it close here. And if that doesn't happen, look out below. And that's today's call.